The Technology Student Association of Waxahachie High School hosted a Gear Up camp for junior high students in the Waxahachie Independent School District last week. Engineering and physics teacher Shyla Vire said they offered several sessions to enable students to broaden their horizons.
My name is Shyla Vire. I'm a teacher here at Waxahachie High School. I teach engineering and physics. Here today at Gear Camp, we are offering different sessions Monday through Thursday this week, including VEX Robotics, video production, game design, engineering, and our animation courses, trying to get 6th, 7th, and 8th graders in the district aware of what goes on in the career and technology building here. See these 6th, 7th, and 8th graders get really inspired to, one, go into some of these different career fields like video game designs. You know, they play video games, but at the end of the week they should have an idea of what it really takes to make one. A lot of them like to make movies on their own. Now they'll kind of know what it takes to make a movie, animation and those things, so that when they get to the high school level they can make some educated decisions to further their future in a career and technology field.
For the full story, pick up a copy of the Waxahachie Daily Light or read it online at waxahatchietx.com. This has been Melissa Cave reporting for the Waxahachie Daily Light.